Hey guys, so for today's science for homeschool, we ended up doing glowing water. So we saw these on another YouTube video. I got this kit at a garage sale and the lady ended up giving it to us for free. So anyway, so it came out really real and handy for this science project. Okay, so we saw that they open up a highlighter. You can also use a glow stick for this experiment, but we had some glow sticks from Dollar Tree, but they didn't end up working. So I decided to open up some of my highlighters, which is I have a bunch here, but I ended up opening up just one for right now because I wanted to try it out. And I took out the inside of it, which is this part right here. And then I put it in the water for a little bit, and then I squeezed everything out from here. So this is a part of the marker right there so that it can release some more out, and we just shake it up like this. And then what's really cool is that once you're done, you just use water and whatever was from the highlighter, and then we just take it to a black light. And come on guys, come, let's show them how it works. So let me go ahead and take you to the kids' room, and we have a black light. And let me show you. We have a black light right here, and then they glow. Let me go ahead and close the door here. Ram, you want to show them? See, they glow really pretty. So it's a really great experiment for the kids to do. They had fun doing it. And I don't know how long it lasts. I'm assuming it lasts quite a while, but it's actually pretty cool. The black light is really inexpensive. I think we got it at Dollar Tree for about $1. And then the highlighter ends up being $1, like a 3-pack for $1. So it's a pretty cool experiment. Ram, what did you like about it?
I liked about it is like a...
Was it easy to do?
Yeah, it was really easy to do.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. What did you like about it?
Well, the highlighter part, and Mom, I think there's stuff in here.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Say bye, Ram.
Bye.